In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get backup Steam Guard recovery codes. These codes are a safety net for your Steam account, letting you sign in if you ever lose access to your authenticator or can't receive verification texts. Think of them as spare keys you keep in a safe place, useful in an emergency, and important to set up before you actually need them. Once you're signed into Steam, look to the top right corner of your Steam window and open your profile menu. From there, choose Security and Devices. This is the section where Steam keeps your account protection tools, including two-factor authentication and recovery options. If the menu labels look slightly different for you, that's okay. Just look for the area that mentions Security or Devices. Inside Security and Devices, select Get Backup Codes. This is the page that generates a set of single-use recovery codes tied to your account. You'll use one of these codes whenever you can't complete Steam Guard authentication in the usual way. Next, Steam will ask you to enter your phone number and confirm it. This verification step helps ensure the codes are created securely and connected to the right owner. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm, then click Generate Codes. That's it. Your backup codes will appear. These codes are designed to be used one time each. When you use one, it becomes invalid and you move on to the next. Because they provide direct access to your account, treat them like you would a password. Don't share them with anyone, and never post or store them in places that others can view. Consider keeping them in a trusted password manager or storing an offline copy somewhere secure. If you ever think your codes might have been seen by someone else, you can return to this same page and generate a new set, which will immediately invalidate the old ones. A couple of quick tips for peace of mind. Label your stored codes clearly so you'll recognize what they're for later, and keep them reachable even if you're traveling or away from your usual devices. Also remember that Steam support won't ask you to reveal these codes. If anyone does, it's a red flag. And that's all there is to it. Open your profile menu, go to Security and Devices, select Get Backup Codes, confirm your phone number, and generate your codes. With that done, you've added an extra layer of protection to your Steam account. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.